You can use math object to perform different mathematical operations on your numbers. Let's say if I want to get the rounded number of 11.6 and then print it on the page, then I can use math.round method for that. Let's try to do that. For that, I'm going to say math.round and then pass this 11.6 in that method. And now if I try to print it, it's going to print 12 because the rounded value of 11.6 is 12. If I pass 11.4, then it's going to print 11 because 11.4 is not greater than 11.5. But you can use math.seal to get the next integer if you like. Let's say if I want to get the next integer and it doesn't matter what decimal value here I'm passing, I can use its math.seal method for that. Now if I click on submit, it's going to print 12 because it doesn't matter what you pass here. If I pass 11.6, then also it's going to print 12. But if I pass 11.0, then it's going to print 11 here. You can use math.floor to get the previous value. So here we got the next value, but if I want to get the previous value, then I can use math.floor for that. If I pass 11.6 here, it's going to print 11 because it doesn't matter what you pass here. It's going to get the previous value. Even if I pass 11.4 here, that's going to print 11 here. You can use math's absolute method to get the absolute value of a number. Let's say if I want to get the absolute value of a negative number, I can use math.abs method for that. And if I refresh the page, click on submit, it's going to print 11.4. It doesn't matter if it is a positive or a negative number. You can use math random method to get the random number. So if I say math.random here, then it will give me a random number between 0 to 1. If I refresh the page, click on submit, it's going to give me a random number from 0 to 1, and there are decimal values too. If you want to increase the limit, you can multiply it by the number that you want to increase the limit by. Let's say if I want the numbers between 0 to 9, then I can multiply it by 10, and then it will start giving me numbers between 0 to 9. If you want the integer value, then you can use one of these methods to get the next or previous value. I'm going to get the previous value. For that, I'm going to use math.floor and then pass this in it. And then it will start giving me numbers between 0 to 9. And this will be a proper number. It won't be a decimal value. If I want to get it between 0 to 10, then I can increase this to 11. And then I will start getting numbers between 0 to 10. You can increase this to 0 to 100 by increasing this to 101. And then you will start getting numbers between 0 to 100. So this is how you can use round, seal, floor, abs, and random method. In the next section, I'm going to talk about how you can calculate square root of a number by using math object.